Hi guys, Jessica here with Farmhouse Flair, and today I have DIY projects to share with you. I'm getting ready for Christmas, and so I have some projects that I need to get done, and I'm going to be spray painting these candlesticks with the Walmart brand black matte black finish, and I am also going to be probably just spray painting these, even though they're already dark in color, just to make sure that they all match. I got these for $1 each at the thrift shop, and this one was 99 cents, I believe. Yeah, 99 cents. And then these were 99 cents for the shorter ones, and I believe the taller ones were a little bit higher. Yeah, these were $1.99 for the taller ones. So I thought those were a pretty good price. And so here we go. Let's get started. Hey guys, Jessica here again. I just have some more projects to share with you, painting projects. So I'm going to be spray painting these in a flat black with the Walmart cheap spray paint here, but it works great and it dries fast. It's interior, exterior. I'm also going to be painting this blue stool here. It's from IKEA. I'm going to be spray painting that as well. And I think I'm going to be setting my dining room Christmas tree on top of it for Christmas. So here we go, guys. Hey guys, Jessica here again with another painting project to share with you. And I'm taking this sign that I've already had, and I'm going to be just removing the blue ribbons, taking those off, and taking the pink ones off. Probably gonna leave the white on, and I'm going to be painting over top of this. It's cute. I've had it for years now, but it's just time for me to switch it up and give it a new look, a makeover. And so I'm going to be painting white over it using my craft paint here, which you can get at Walmart or any craft supply type store. And I'm just going to be putting my paint on onto my paper plate and using my soft sponge brush here that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'll go ahead and apply the white paint to this and let it dry, and then I will be applying this fresh cut Christmas trees. You cut, you haul, self-adhesive. Well, it's called wall art, but that's not what I'm going to be using it for. I'm doing my own little DIY little project here, but it does say it's just peel, stick, and reposition, enjoy. So it's self-adhesive decor for walls, mirrors, and more. Only $2.98 at Walmart, guys. Great price, and they have different kinds of those there at Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my project here. Okay guys, I took off all the blue and pink ribbon and I started painting, and for some reason, I don't know what happened guys, but it did not record me painting. So sorry about that. I don't know what happened. I thought I hit the record button and I must not have. So I've got one coat on it. Here it is, and hopefully I'll be able to video me getting a second coat on it. So I'm going to let this dry and then put a second coat on it.